her water fountain, Mom, and everybody. She's drinking her water. She's at her water fountain. I think she loves it more than anything. Well, at least she gets to drink some water. And having her have water is important. I think it's important for her to have her water. And that's what her food dish looks like. But yeah. You drinking some water, Bao Bao? Is Bao Bao drinking some water? I think I need to clean it again tonight, or not tonight, but tomorrow. Her water fountain. Make sure it's like all good for her. Yeah, the stuff in her enclosure, that stuff right there. Yeah, that stuff right there, that's her, that's her shedding. She sheds a lot. Bowser 2.0 sheds a lot. Huh, Bao Bao? Hi, Bao Bao. I want to get this on camera video because I think this is cool. She usually stays up there or on this one, but mostly on her long piece of wood. And I need to buy her another piece of wood or another thing to sleep in or hide out. And I need to fix that log right there. She's a beautiful girl. I love her. I love Bao Bao. Bowser 2.0, I love her. She's my pretty girl. Yeah, you're a beautiful girl. She loves her water. She loves her enclosure a lot. Maybe I could get it on video of having her eat a worm. A juicy worm. Because she hasn't had one today yet. And every time I say warm, she gets all excited. See? She gets all excited. What are you doing? Want a warm? You want a warm? Want a warm? Want a warm? Yeah? Does Bao Bao want a warm? Oh, look at her. She's like, did you just say warm, Mom? Yes, I did. I said a warm. I said a warm. Okay, I need to open her enclosure so you guys can see her eat her worm. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Hold on, I'm gonna get her worm. Ah! Aha, here we go. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. Don't eat the pliers! You broke the pliers? She broke the pliers. I think she ate part of the pliers. You can't do that. No.